In the old days, software developers just made stuff. When it broke, they fixed it. But that could take ages. These days, software has to be updated continuously and rapidly to keep pace with change. To do this well, the development process has to be more sophisticated. Continuous delivery heralds a new era in software development. Think of it as the difference between a cottage industry and a cutting-edge production line. Software, you see, can be manufactured just like a circuit board, or a computer, or a luxury car. Just pop a piece of code in on one side and watch your application update on the other. Think of it as the industrialization of software development. Only there are no smelly smokestacks, just clean lines of code that are continuously perfected by a virtuous cycle of development, testing, and deployment. Whether you're an SME or a large enterprise, continuous delivery means less downtime, greater efficiencies, and improved usability, which can really impact the bottom line. Using a range of leading-edge tools, we build state-of-the-art delivery systems that power continuous delivery of your software and enterprise solutions. From inception through development, testing, and into production, our core team delivers enterprise systems that kick ass continuously. As a boutique consulting firm, we leverage automation, open source software, and the latest in cloud technology to make your route to live as efficient as possible, without compromising on quality and without costing the earth.